know some of you might still be a few years away from becoming parents, but it's never too early to start preparing. Trust me, being prepared will make your journey as a parent so much smoother. Before you have a baby, there's something I want you to consider. And that is treating your personal finances as an asset, just like you would treat a baby. Sounds interesting, right? Well, keep watching because this information is crucial for everyone, whether you're a teenager, starting your own business, or an employee. All right, let's dive in. What exactly is an asset? In simple terms, an asset is something that has value and can generate income or appreciate over time. Now, think about it. When you have a baby, you need to invest time, effort, and resources into raising them, right? Well, treating your personal finances like an asset means you prioritize building wealth and taking care of it, just like you would with a baby. This mindset shift can make a huge difference in your financial well-being. But before we go any further, I'd like to remind you to keep an open mind and let your imagination wander. The information we will be diving into may challenge some of your preconceived notions, but trust me, it's a reality we all need to be prepared for. So picture this, you just found out you're going to be a parent. It's an incredibly exciting time, but amidst those emotions, it's important to acknowledge the financial obligations that come with it. From doctor's visits, prenatal care, and even thinking about saving for your child's future, the expenses can quickly add up. Now, here's where treating your assets like children comes into play. Just like parenting requires constant nurturing and finance, building and growing your assets does too. See, taking care of your finances early on is essential to avoid stress and uncertainty down the road. It's all about creating a financial foundation before becoming parents. Start by setting up an emergency fund to cushion unexpected expenses, then establish a budget and stick to it. Consider investing in income-generating assets like stocks or properties. By doing so, you're building assets that will benefit not only you but also your future family. As we embark on this journey, I want to approach it from the perspective of a mother, because let's face it, building and nurturing an asset is like raising a child, just like a child. An asset requires constant attention, care, and nurturing. With growth come extra role of education in improving your asset. As a mother, you're constantly seeking knowledge to provide the best upbringing for your child. The same applies to your asset. You need to constantly educate yourself to enhance its growth potential. Ensis, as a mother, you understand the financial demands that arise when raising a child. Likewise, your asset will also require financial investment to reach its full potential. Remember, your asset's growth and success depend on your dedication and commitment. We all know the importance of eating well to keep our bodies healthy, but have you ever thought about feeding your asset or investments? We're diving deep into the world of investing and taking a look at why it's crucial to feed your asset, just like you would feed your child. Just like how your child grows and becomes stronger with a balanced diet. When you feed your asset, you're essentially putting money towards investments that have the potential to grow and generate passive income. Feeding your financial future is creating a solid budget. Whether you're a teenager just starting out, a young adult in a startup, or even a seasoned employee, budgeting is essential. It's all about managing your income and expenses to make sure you're in control of your money. It's like a magic spell that can turn your small investments into a big nest egg over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and multiply. So, for all you teenagers out there, this is an essential lesson to learn. By making smart investment choices, you can watch your money grow and compound over time. The power of compounding and how it can help you build wealth over time. Imagine this. You invest in a solid company, and over time, the value of your investment increases. Not only that, but the profits generated by that investment can be reinvested back into more assets, further multiplying your wealth. It's like a snowball effect, gaining momentum as it rolls downhill. As parents, we often think about the ways in which we raise our children and how that will reflect on them as they grow up. But here's the thing, we can't control their reactions or choices. What we can control is how we handle them and the values we instill in them. It's not about expecting something back from them, because it's our responsibility as parents to take care of them. After all, they didn't choose to be here. We chose to bring them into this world. It's just like an investment, whether it's in a business or in ourselves. We need to change our mindset and focus on maintaining and supporting our endeavors rather than just demanding immediate returns. It's not about forcing ourselves to extract maximum profits, but rather about investing more to get more in return. Remember, it's not always about the money. It's about how you manage your resources, how you invest in yourself and your future. Just like any good investment, it may take time, effort, and patience, but it will all pay off in due time. So, my fellow dream chasers, focus on the long game, believe in your vision, and don't be afraid to take risks. I guarantee that all your hard work, dedication, and perseverance will pay off. Trust the process.